Gracias Montero akwaba shonko na real quick answer be nsem no so no ago kansie Kingdom Estate 4 and so astem dey ago kansie no ebro makacho say Kingdom Estate right estate affordable na mom no was serene environment more than a yinkwa no modi ayenye ne kona mo chebonka bi de Kingdom Estate dey quality cement ankasa na modi asidan no CCTV any environment no current me can farm out say over modern Kingdom Estate 4 echa kwan ekropon omo right after Latte Junction mikro junction no wotra hope ehonom na ewo na ope bulk purchase anase bibisa me show for Kingdom 4 no 053 614 9961 and 030 393 9987 Kingdom Home Estate and I make count for Eddie Amao young kwan ensem no eso na na me kase nipa ya ade a wosaye ye wanyi na ya men say ni tin ene akoba ne se obi ya ade kra mo den se mo beka na me kase obi be point aga se ye well be kofi ampadu eye dachi hene lawyer ene ma sister Sandy beje de bia be kase PK pa kwasi akom Abdullah Awudu Kobie Shon Eunice Foley ampadu wo mu amada wo mentina me gina TV so aya also kebi na yen hwa ye ho sa eno na kem promise ahwe ho se senye sa akode ene bo ni din so ne nsa konka ho na mo ni so bi timi bo din keke na wa wo bi timi bo din wo bi timi bie na no bo din Christopher okọ ba bia na ye hu esan se sister Sandy abodin entia enti ken me de so won kaye enti nyina ye nso bibi mfim so bi ade ma wa efe so bibi wa no aka enti ken ye ngine kwaku anu mo sisie.
How I met you.
Is it?
You've forgotten that it was through Sack that introduced you. I remember myself. I was in the office.
He
one
introduced
day.
me to so many people. He really, like, in the beginning, he introduced me to Kill Beats. Like, the person I'm working with now, it was Sack.
Yeah.
Almost everybody, like, if you're...
I tell you what, Sack called me one day and said, look, the future of Ghana music, I've met him. His name is Promise. You need to meet this guy. You need to hear this guy. Put this guy on all your shows. You know, everywhere. You just put him there.
Yeah,
you know, anytime you want me, just call him.
Yeah.
You know, this boy is Sack won't stop talking, and you know Sack.
Nah, thank God for Sack, man. Just meeting him opened so many doors, and he didn't have to, you know what I mean? But out of just him being a good person, he introduced me to a lot of people, places that I wasn't even I wasn't present. I'll meet later. We were speaking, and like, oh, my man called me about you before, like you're saying now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I'm thankful that I could repay and, you know, be who I am today, so he can say that he's proud.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And, you know, by the grace of God, we've given some bangers, some back-to-back bangers together, and it's only right. You know what I mean?
Was there ever a time that you thought you should probably get signed on to a success label or something?
In the beginning, when I met him and we started talking, initially, I thought that was what was going to happen. Honest fact, I thought I was going to sign to Sack.
How come that didn't happen?
But then he introduced me to someone else who I ended up starting working with. So he told me this person will have the time and the resources that we will need. So, or the mention is same, I should just do my part. So he put me on to that person. Funny thing is, after that person, same person introduced me to Kill Beats, who I'm working with now. So yeah,
pretty interesting.
That's my father in the game.
And didn't take anything, didn't ask for anything in return.
Nothing. He never took nothing.
I don't know until there mamunka why mo dey mamu amon function was am young grateful side you can but as na mafa akwan so adankrofobia na jantoa or we insure FM say nana Moke University back in 2011 nana na demeto radio so very first time nana jantwa nyamisha bebre wona ma mekasa radio so first Focus FM el campus KNUST and I twat aswa na me bankran and a Ricky Anoche and then the wife Clarita and so dem twa ka 2012 and na pa kwasi akom and Abdullah Awudu omuhu me modern bomb say ye odwuma de be friend Tigo first yemfa wonto so and ye demeto so na mdidi ko mu a na afa wo be kofi ampadu and so ka sa abaya no betimi entertainment and o de me two bedwem so eti mu nyina me ka bom a meka se nyame nhyamo my 12 years journey no enye mu nyina Nana Jantoa Abdullahi Awudu Pakwesi Akom Welbe Kofi Ampedu enye mu a and sister Sandy be a guy nko obi anim no Madam ase bebre aseda modia ti adwuma no ye beto aso aye fefefe meto aso Akwesi Ata Ghanaian rapper grand actually abrantie no na nkofo feeling the vibe when Kofi Molo mujina stage ah yes o ma fa mudro because na energy ni very tight na suddenly no akwese something oyi dead na no vim ne confirm Delilah bi adada Akwesi me ehu because Ghana fo twemu a performance akoye na so many ba me de me say ne hwan yasoma me se me meka nsema no pay nti no pacho wo a wo hwe na no pay bia na hu performance no wo so hwe bi na bra ne yen kan nsema nkofo eka kwasi yen koy Ghana for me se me bi some person boy no ye den be se wo tu ana be se wo hwiri kwagina skies hey na mo ya munim entertainers o mo ye nipa ho chale depression is killing a lot of them ni nyina fi manum nsem and these artists kakrana o mo ntimi ne madi nkomo no na no kwa ba akokwa na ba bi kro ni te but tonyo mamo intime semo take it easy please performance ya eden kwasi yan kan comment ni bi o mo chemu a why you the idea no we tried red na Samson wa ho den ko for am say ntesa me pesa eti obi nie was say this because theater the crowd reacting like some underground artists be are really sad he probably go try do something about the dead career you stop that what is dead career hey people are putting in effort going to the studio at night dawn 2 a.m. now TCT studio you want to kill his career with your mouth please we are accepted sir 2024 you don't sir obi so say I blame him how you feel make Nana Agra that bless you I got that shano what they say go so na me hu was it this place was a bit empty so you all for chill you know what I'm saying many time I refer Kwesi backstage but hey the place was literally empty intimate lawyer for me call that thing for me hear more commenter ko for can Twitter Twitter na friend X no a very slippery road makasa only be my men go Twitter because be I say the place was a bit empty so you offer okay I say don't worry just wait for his locks to on the American I'm say something we locks na big case I say don't worry just wait for his locks to come and you will see new Kwesi Ata Samson in Ghana. I don't think drugs can do that. I'm not sure he take drugs. I don't be so hey obi so Kwesi Ata for drugs hey na mo kra adeng money artist ne da sorry ana the Kwesi Ata I know doesn't even drink alcohol just saying it's what they ever fa na makasa che me nua be ma Kwesi don't let it get at you in fact ono kwa betro bi mpacho ma me no Kwesi semonfa mo asem ni nyina enhye moto oh yes what's put it in your ass Kwesi ne kan ye ti lawyer mpacho ma me hwe Kwesi response am say the mo church no I get it to him we hu enti obetro ye am say system na jame system ba Kwesi betro say we hu mu nyina mo comment no wo be share say mo fa mo opinions enhye moto Kwesi nso emfa nche to say ya juma na mo ye ndi obi a obi kan ho de bia me ka say I don't do ba social e ho na in-laws ni nyina go social media in-laws to mo fa nche mo to de mo aso mo fa nche mo to na mo komanim enti Kwesi na ese ne a etwagu no eno eni I'm very sorry okay but Ghanaians please take it easy on these artists before being an artist no omo ye nipa mo janna momumu so take it easy on them. Thank you, gracias. Metwa ensem ne so a mebo hwi akọ Nigeria. Mebo hwi akọ na say guy no wu ye no mubad no. Nso mo kotu funu bi na yesi abu ni kom na afa yesi police for ye nhwehwemu. Say the other campaign na no ye tonto dike. Oh yes, tonto dey so e Ghana ni because whatever has say tonto dike. Eno no, wo chemu a Nigerian police from SARS no. Omo nye se ombe release funu no. Ama o mesie. Now when I say Tonto, you be family member. Okay, madam, you did the family. You be mobile in auntie or you just be entertainer way they concern you. Okay, sure, go take am like that. So, or say Nigerian police force, give us Mohbad for a befitting burial. We are tired of your carelessness and slowness. If no one speaks, I won't say Mr. Soyebusieni because I say I have invested too much of my emotions, my time and my love not to see this justice go through. Like QM says, give the police more time. Honestly, we have given you all the more time than necessary. This is not a case to be swept under. We want justice. That's a Ghana police here that must say. Because Mubo Juma. Now no boy you the camera scene so say bring a bit to try a second. Sima na Ghana police kwacheno. And open me chamu cruising. Mubo Juma. Because Nigerian police are bantene or so money you. Oh yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That is for Ghana police. Applause. Yeah, that must say. When you many more on H Street. Oh yes. Mobile boy home by that must say. And you know, tonto concern ye. But once I hear Ghana, mommy and Kaya and Seminole. A fire there at Yassa, but mommy focus on your idea because yes, and some of those who crew mupa. To Tonto, all the very best, madam. Yet I say. Now make sure say Christmas and events na doso. Events no. You better that plan ni na ni a list ni wo hunia obekose na de bia ye no no ba ansa na no ba kwa mani atwa so ya amrado se oba fie ha one we bekofi ampedum koye 101 bisa okeka nsem ti e fe se ye nua no ye dwuma de e bepa ho ntoma ma mo so mahu bi ejo so mo ho mo de hia kronkron se my motherland e ho na amrado efiri enti me se ejo so man oba fie abaye show ma mo ngunani mo ase wate mon command papa na artist o mo bre timre so mo ye show bi a mon support your mon family enie or say my motherland concert yeah course we just the 28th of December 2023 open sponsor akwa amrado page numbers ni gu ho na frefre na mon ko ampedu kwa so best sponsor it is not a big deal you know what I'm saying it's amrado just so ye beba aba better watching ama emu ayede na enyo no kwa na ye show ampofo agye ye small one sem na opanyi metekasa opanyi ampofo agye o papa wo se ampofo agye papa no enwomo a papa na bɔ no ene nne nyina ye bɔnwom na ho ka wom te ne ba na fa to no ho so se obetwa legend move no eso o ma na papa yi ne nkosa so what can use but enye papa ne tonyom o band ja ko fiampedu ade band we use o mo ama band we say band ko ase band na pai enti wo ko ni pro mampon asante mampon o say ye we sije yakwase sia to lie so oh yes e ho na akwase sia so efri enti nyame ya adomo a ye bekọ asante mampon no on the 26th of December me wo show ha me pon ya ye tia so full speed me ayiwa 05 ye kwa asante mampon akota abra panyi echi na ni gisem ne se Kumawood Stars bebre na eguso na ni bi oya MC aya me ha was mo bon sema me it's me you know eja dem e was mo hu say we are coming team Adom we large eja mbofo eje bra panyi o panyi ye baba beta wachi amampon mo nhyane nso ejo so amrado asante mampon eye ampofo eje eti madam gina mase bebre se modi odo abodo mu atena ho ahwe ene Ahosepe na bronya idwumadi Adom TV ebedi no esewani so se na license and car sisi mebe eti ampedu ni pk ti me birthday pan 16 December ye kwa na license and carols ma be kan Bible ashara di ni monyam eti Kingdom Garlic Bitters and made ho adanse e de amount it me e boost wo human immune system no na atimi akon yarewa bia e woni paduanim eti unya Kingdom Herbal ni bia Garlic Bitters na me sure bossa yare bia ni ho a ebetimi aba ni paduanim omo new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and medru ma wo kunu birthday butimi chechiri bi the channel Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules we empemu agro de obese wa lie was mo worry ye Kingdom Herbal na ojiko ofia ye ne yes wo gina so e chen ta say tremendous capsules and also medro ma ya wo miani nkomo Wunya ya Kingdom Tremendous capsules nibi. Ayase honom away honam kankan ayase kankan ayase donko hokeka utinipe na wucho cross na wutiti wadaroma emwa me bro nye yekohwa me pese me hu saa omode anya ya Kingdom Tremendous capsules no ebie na o pedodo etu a Kingdom Herbal Center we kan she drug lane and I say Kingdom products nyina benye bi of pharmacies chemical any herbal shops there wo kodua ni mu nyina but for Kingdom it was 0275 804 064 and 0302 938156 Kingdom Herbal what's a Kingdom no challenger because we tonro me to medro na me wo somado mapa skeke ameni nkomo se won pese etitriti be chew se won sema ye mrenamness ana se wo mu ana yare na wo immune system no are weak ana se obesity stroke fitay asthma wahene won mo bi a stroke achina me kanfo eye P-WAC natural health for Ediamao P-WAC natural health for or the 3P garlic mixture about 100% garlic extract any natural plants no additives bia no artificial bia no 3P garlic mixture purely organic Michelle BP how na make atichiti wonsa aye namness nya de emwa me asthma obi wakọ Johnson Crobre udo Johnson anu atwi break Johnson anu atwi break we hia 3P garlic mixture o kan shi Kofi Sam and King's Walk kuma so benya o Danny Herbal and afi Colinac ho ubenya wo Albert Sam Herbal Takra do benya wo AA Mensa sunyane ubenya wo Green Light Pharmacy and afi P-WAC Natural Health that was 0248 928 824 and 0201 000021 me ba chow make sure say 3P garlic mixture no de bia no e glass bottle mu ya ni ti no eye kokko red garlic e wo label no e ho da check ne lawyer but I say we Kofi Ampedu Christopher Obed of Smoses and a touch of kumbe etwi mani I'm the guys queen we shall mo ko ma ai